Ever wonder how to navigate the digital world with confidence? Immerse yourself into the basics of computing. First, meet the brain of the device, the central processing unit or CPU. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, directing all the operations. Next, discover the magic of software, applications that instruct the computer on what tasks to perform. From creating documents to browsing the internet, software makes it all possible. The keyboard and mouse are your primary tools of interaction. They're like your digital hands, allowing you to command the computer. Now, let's unveil the mystery of the internet, a worldwide network connecting millions of computers. It's the digital highway, leading you to information, entertainment, and communication. Finally, learn about cybersecurity. It's your digital shield, protecting your data and privacy in the online world. Remember, mastering the basics of computers is not a sprint, but a marathon. So take your time and soon you'll be navigating the digital world like a pro. This is your journey, your adventure into the realm of technology, and it starts now.